afternoon class. Today we discuss some importance of air. Now we start to discuss first of all nitrogen utility in air. Nitrogen is used in packaging pre-cooked and pre-roasted ready-to-eat food items. Nitrogen is also used for manufacturing of fertilizers, and liquid nitrogen is used as refrigerant for freezing food items. Nitrogen is utilized by plants for their growth and development also. And free nitrogen, which is present in air, is converted into nitrogen compound which are absorbed by the plant and converted to form a protein. During the lightning discharge, nitrogen combined with oxygen to form nitric oxide, and this nitric oxide when further react with oxygen to give nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide further react with oxygen and water vapor to form nitric acid. This nitric acid comes down with the rain and combine with carbonate and comes on the earth in the form of acid rain. This will be form a soluble nitrate like calcium nitrate, when calcium carbonate combine with nitric acid to give calcium nitrate, water and carbon dioxide. Water soluble, this calcium nitrate compound is a water soluble which are absorbed by plant and converted to form a protein. Now we discuss oxygen utility in air. Oxygen is used for respiration in living organisms and plants and animals also. Oxygen in the air is used by living beings for their respiration. In hospital it is given as artificial respiration to person. It is used for welding and cutting metals also. It is used in preparing different explosives. It is used in inhaled and exhaled air form also. What do you understand by inhaled and exhaled air? The air we breathe is called inhaled air, and the air we breathe out, the air we breathe in is called inhaled air, and the air we breathe out is called exhaled air. Respiration, what do you understand by respiration? Respiration is a process in which breaking down of food by oxygen to release energy takes place. Again I repeat it. Respiration is the process of breaking down of food by oxygen to release energy. Animal breathe in, breaks down the food like glucose in their body to release energy. In this process, carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product. Plants also use oxygen in the same way that animals do. Plants release oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. Plants makes food glucose by combining water and carbon dioxide. This needs energy which comes from the sunlight. The energy is trapped by chlorophyll, a green colored substance present in leaves. The food which is made contains some of these energy. When carbon dioxide combined with water in the presence of sunlight to gives glucose and oxygen. And how the water vapor is useful for us? Water vapor in the atmosphere in excess, present in excess, minimize the rate of evaporation. Water vapor minimize the rate of evaporation, produce rain, mist, determining the climate condition, used to determine the climate condition. The rain serve as a natural source of water for plants and animals. So water vapor helps in air to minimize the rate of evaporation. Thank you class.